What's up guys, good afternoon, welcome back to Workshop Pix Video Card Repair and Services. I'm Tech Carl today. Ito po, may nice po tayo new GPU, line number 2998. So po siyang Exapex 7800 XT na 16GB. Yung issue daw po nito is no display, tapos intermittent yan po. So yung solution po na ginawa natin dito is manual inspection po natin siya. Tapos ginamitan po natin siya ng 14 stages of cleaning and thermal pad and thermal paste replacement po. Ngayon, undergoing na po siya ng stress test for almost 1 hour and 17 minutes. Ito po natin dito yung stats niya. FPS 89. Ito naman po. So, GPU temperature is 58. GPU temperature hotspot is 83. So far, so good naman po siya after 1 hour of testing. And dito po tayo. Pang game test po natin is Valorant. Yan. Ito naman po natin ang napakasunod naman po. Wala naman na po siyang easy. So far so good na po siya. That's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next repair. Bye bye.